Hey guys, sorry I haven't done another video. We had a pretty good snowstorm last few days. As you can see, we came out here to one of the pull-offs and it kind of snows on this parking lot, but that's why I haven't really gotten out. This is the best day we've had out of 3, so we're gonna get out and do a short video, show you guys the snow we got out here. I know some other of the areas are getting worse snow than we are, and they're still getting snow. That's the first time that we haven't had it coming down in a few days, so that's why I decided to get out, do a short video, say hello to everybody. Sorry to all my fans, I've not gotten out to do a recent video in the last couple of days. But it's just gorgeous out today with the sun beating down on the snow. But it was bad the last couple of days. Spent the last couple of days having to shovel out almost every day. At least I got a snowblower, so. But it's really pretty today. Capturing the mountains with the snow on them. So not too bad out here in southern Colorado. It's warmer today too, so we're supposed to get up warmer weather the next few days, so that's just a really cool abandoned house over there. I did a video last year in the winter showing the inside of it. Smelled almost like an old horse stall inside, but it's just a really nice day today. So hope everybody is staying safe if they're in bad weather conditions. And I'm just gonna cut it off here. I just want to do a short video to say hello to all my fans. Sorry I haven't been doing a video last couple of days, but a lot of it was because of the storms we had come through. So everybody stay safe out there. And until next one, we'll see you guys soon.